Welcome to Appalachian Farmstead. I'm Mike, and I'm pretty high today. So we are up here on the roof. It is, I don't know, 20-something of March, and it's 83 degrees today, and tomorrow it's going to be 40. So it's a perfect day to get the number one maintenance issue on a wood-fired homestead done today, and that is cleaning the chimney, or flue we call them around here. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to give you a product that costs you about $25, and if you ever have a chimney fire, it will put it out in under 22 seconds. So it's not a sponsored video. I bought it with my own money. I keep it right by in the same room as the wood stove downstairs, under here. And you stick around, I'll give you a link to it. But if you heat with wood, you definitely need that product. And this is something you've got to do at least once a year, if not a couple times a year. We do it twice a season. When we get a nice day in the middle of winter, we do it then too. So here we go. So I'm going to take the roof cap off, and I don't have rods. They're like $80. I do this twice a year. Carrie's downstairs. I've already taken one of the gas tubes out, took the whatever that thing is in there that stops the fire from going up into the chimney. I drop a weight down, she pulls it down, I pull it up, she pulls it down, I pull it up, and it's done. So she's got a camera downstairs, but here we go. All right, here's the cap. Okay. Oh, this thing's probably going to take a ride. Hopefully not. Let's leave that there. Leave that there. All right, let me get my brush and drop it down. Carrie's downstairs. She'll pull it down till it's just about out of the flue, and then I pull it back up. Are you ready? Okay. All right, here it comes. Got it? Go ahead when you're ready.
We have a weight on it. And there's the weight. Alright, so now I'm going to set you in there. Got it? Got it? Here we go.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Now we just put the roof back on, or the cap back on. She could have kept it out, but I don't take all the fallopian tubes out. I just take one of them out to get that, whatever that thing is. I don't know what it's called. But I just take one of them out to get it out, and then I only have to put one of those miserable things back in. Did you get a lot?
And there you have it. Now I'm going to clean this out.
Oh, that's not bad. So she said about a quart and a half. So I think for like, I don't know. I don't know if we did it halfway through the season this year because of being so cold. Okay, we did not. She said we did not. So we did not. All right, so I'll show you how this comes off the roof. That's how that comes off the roof. All right, people. I'm going to close up shop here, and I'll see you downstairs. All right, there she is. She's all cleaned out. Right there's the fallopian tube. I got to put that back in. And then there's that fire thing. And the one piece is broke. I actually was thinking about replacing that with a piece of steel. You can't even buy them locally. I promised you a product that I'm not sponsored by. I paid for it with my own money, $26. If you ever have a chimney fire, which I've had, and it was scary stuff. This product is called Chimfex. And what you do, you get out of the box, first of all. You want to get out of there. And you just take it out, like that, pull the cap off. And you flip this little black cap off as a striker. All right, so you make sure your dampers shut completely down, and you strike this just like a road flare. You know what that is. You're old like me, you know what a road flare is. And then you throw it in it fires off like a road flare, and you put it in your firebox. Close the door, and this sucks all the oxygen out of your chimney, out of your firebox, everything, and shuts the fire down in under 22 seconds. They guarantee it. So, like I said, I bought this with my own money from Amazon, 26 bucks. I'll have a link in the description. You should have at least one or two of these. If you have two stoves, you should have one at each stove. So, freaking goats are going crazy up there. But anyways, Chimfex. I'll put a link in the description. I don't make any money on it. This is just a public service announcement. So, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe. Share this with your friends that have wood stoves. Come back Wednesday morning. We have lots of projects going on now. The weather's changing. We have tons and tons and tons of sawmill videos coming up, wood splitting videos, goat videos, all kinds of stuff. So, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.